Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. Now, it's Monday, April the 28th. We had 5 press releases for you as well as 2 stock halts. So let's get straight to it first. Gulf and Pacific Equities trades on the venture exchange under the stock symbol GUF. They announced a 115% increase in revenues to $4.49 million in 2007. In addition, funds from operations were $543,000 or 7 cents per share for the year ended December 31st, 2007. What does this company do? They acquire, manage, and develop grocery-anchored shopping malls in rural centers in Western Canada. I like that. They target smaller but rapidly growing hub communities. Management has consistently reinvested cash flow to improve and grow its portfolio of income properties. They currently own 5 well-located retail assets. They close on Friday at 41.5 cents. That's near the 52-week high of 44 cents, so they're obviously performing very well. Next up, Anterra Energy also trades on the venture under AE.A and .B. .A seems to be the common trading shares. They're announcing fourth quarter and full 2007 year-end numbers. Here are the highlights. Revenues from oil and gas production increased 30.5% to $6.11 million. Not a surprise given what's going on out there. At $1.83 million revenue for the fourth quarter. That more than doubles revenue for the same period last year. Again, not a surprise. Great performance, though. Year-over-year revenue growth from midstream processing increased about 40% to $1.25 million. And in the fourth quarter for midstream processing, they brought in about $386,000 in revenue, an increase of 53.1% over fourth quarter last year. I have a quote here from Owen Pinnell, chairman and CEO of the company. Higher oil prices and to a lesser extent production increases, together with a stronger contribution from our processing operations, have led to a significant increase in 2007 revenues compared to 2006. Now, here's what the important part that I like. This trend is expected to continue in 2008 as we pursue our oil and gas exploration and development projects. They close on Friday at 36.5 cents. Switching over to more mining results, you've got Abacus Mining, trades on the venture under AME. They announced that they intersected 318 meters, which is about 1,043 feet of 0.43% copper and 0.26 grams per ton of gold. This at their Ajax property. Information from this drilling program will be incorporated into a combined 43101 resource estimate that they're expecting to release or to complete in June of 2008. Got a quote here from Doug Fulcher, President and CEO of the company. We're pleased to see asset results that fit with our overall model for the planned development of the Ajax area. Management continues to meet the goals that have been set for 2008 for the ongoing development of the area. We have now completed the first phase of drilling on the joint venture with results to be announced shortly. That was the important part there. Looks like more coming out of Ajax. Good numbers here. They close on Friday at 40.5 cents. Next up, making a repeat performance, Orko Silver. Seems like these guys are shooting the lights out. Their stock symbol of the venture is OK. They hit 25.6 meters, grading 222 grams per ton of silver equivalent. This on their Martha vein, which is on the La Preciosa project in Durango, Mexico. These are further assays from an ongoing drilling program. Obviously, take a look at the press release to get all the numbers. Gary Cope, president of the company, says the Martha vein continues to yield excellent grades across exceptionally wide intercepts. Those are big words out of the company. The strike length of the Martha structure is growing to the southeast, and current drilling is focused towards that direction. We now have 85 to 90 holes drilled that were not in the last resource estimate. This, along with significant intercepts from yet unnamed veins, give me cause for great optimism about the company's future. A little bit about La Preciosa here, which again is located in Durango, Mexico. It's an advanced silver and gold project. Right now, Orko Silver has 4 rigs working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Goes to show you how serious they are treating this project. The deposit remains open in all directions and to depth. They close on Friday at $1.69. Next up, Mawson Resources trades on the big board. TSX on the under MAW, and for our friends in Germany on the Frankfurt Exchange under MRY. They announced results from the company's 21-hole, 4,800-meter winter diamond drill program. They're announcing 0.23% uranium over 8.5 meters. This is at their Klappenbacken project in Sweden. This doubles previous known thickness of mineralized zone up to 129 meters and extends known mineralization from surface down to a depth of 250 meters. Great result here for Mawson. Michael Hudson, President CEO, had a long quote. Here's an excerpt. High-grade mineralization has again been discovered. This follows on from the 12.1 meters of 0.44% uranium as previously reported out of hole 0807. We await the final set of results to begin calculation of an updated resource estimate. A lot of great news coming out of Mawson, and it looks like a resource estimate, so we like companies like this because there's obviously ongoing news. They did close on Friday 89 cents. That's way down from their 52-week high, if I remember correctly, somewhere in the $2.50 range, but that's typical for uranium companies. We're now separating the wheat from the chaff, and it looks like Mawson's got some great numbers. Might be one to watch. And finally, on the halt side of things, we've got Benchmark Energy, trades on the venture under the symbol BEE. They were halted at 9 o'clock this morning, pending news. Also, we had Yukon Zinc Corp, trades on the venture under YZC. They closed at 9:06 this morning, pending news. Bart's got two more for me. New Nadina Explorations, halted at 9 o'clock, pending news. And finally, Asia Now Resources, trades on the venture under NOW, halted at 9:04, pending news. Another day of great news, some great halts. As always, don't forget about the AGORACOM marketplace. If you're looking for more great small cap companies, we've got close to 90 companies there listed by industry, stock symbol, exchange, the whole 9 yards, so you can find the one best suited for your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.